are facing problem after watching video, so you can tell me. I will try to sort out your problem. Okay, now everyone take out exercise 17C, and uh, and today I want to discuss the doubt. Yes. So first start with Nandini. Nandini has a doubt. This is the exercise 17C, maths for class 7, and date is what? 19 Feb 21, and classwork. Okay. Yes, Nandini, tell me your problem, please. Question number 18. ये तो बहुत दूर है. Before कहाँ से homework? We start the homework from which question? 13. Okay. Now from 13 to 18. किसी को कोई डाउट है? No one. Frame 18. Okay. ये तो बहुत आसान है. Okay. Yes, exactly. देखो अब जब पढ़ने लगोगे सीखोगे तो सब कुछ आसान ही लगेगा. Very nice. So now see, sit down please. Now see the question number 18. In the given figure, ray OA, OB, OC and OD are such that angle AOB 50, angle BOC 90, angle COD 70 and angle AOD is x degree. So for this we know that the complete angle, what is the measure of complete angle? Nandini? Complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Complete angle means that this. Okay, sit down. So here, here we know that 50 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 140 plus 7 to 10. So it is 150. 150 degree. X is equal to 150 degree. Yes. Now, तुम्हारा doubt? What is your doubt? 14. Okay. चलो 14 का डाउट है. 14 तो 14 भी सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन है. Copied everyone? Okay. Now everyone try to copy fast. Copied? Now let us see the 14th question. So Ani has a doubt in question number 14. And in online also, Rajni,
Yes, sir.
you have any doubt in this exercise 17C?
No, sir.
No. Very good. So now the question number 14. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. Angle AOC is 3x minus 8. COD is 50 and BOD is x plus 10. Find the value of x. Now we know that this is given here. AOB is a straight line. So we can write here like this. Given AOB is a straight line. It means 3x minus 8 plus 50 plus x plus 10 degree is equal to 180 degree. As it is given here, it is a straight line, and we know that a straight line is equal to the 180 degree angle. Yes. Now see, 3x plus x is 4x, and 50 plus 10 60. 60 minus 8 is 60 minus 8. डोंट बी कैजुअल. जो पूछा जाता है उसको बताना है, चुप नहीं रहना है. 52 degree. Now what is the difference? What is the difference of 180 minus 150? 128. Good. Yes, 180 minus 50 is 130 and 130 minus 2 is 138. Good. So x is equal to 138 upon 4. 3 is a uh, hmm? अच्छा, अब लगा ना कि भाई तुम लोग ध्यान दे रहे हो इधर. 128. Now it is 3 or 2. So the x is equal to 32 degree. क्लियर सुहानी? समझ आया और कुछ पूछना है इसमें? क्लियर? ओके. Now is there any doubt? Ankesh? No doubt? Ojas? Anyone? Question number 13. मैंने पहले ही बताया था कल के लिए. तो एंगल बीओडी इज इक्वल टू 50 एंड द रीजन इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. तो कहाँ तक कंप्लीट किया था हमने? क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. तो 22 तक सबका हो गया. ग्रेट, यू ऑल आर वेरी गुड नाउ. So let us start with question number 23. So let us start with question number 23. Now everyone see, now see the question number 23. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle OAB is 150 and OCD is 120. Now this is the figure basically, and this is 150 degree and this is 120 degree. This is A and B, this is C and this is D and this is O. Okay. And I think we have to find angle AOC. Find angle AOC. For this, we have to do the construction. Draw XY parallel to AB, parallel to CD. We have to draw a line segment XY parallel to this through O. We can draw a line like this, and this is O. Okay, and then we mark angle 1 and 2 here. And for any construction, if you want to do any construction in your question, then you have to mention it. ठीक है, समझ गए? You have to mention. तो अब हमने क्या किया? Now we draw a line XY or a line segment XY through O, which is parallel to CD and AB. Yes? Now the solution for this question is, as XY is parallel to AB through construction, और ये तो अब construction ऊपर ही लिखा है तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है दोबारा लिखने की, just ये, so it means that 150 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. और I want कि anyone in the class जो मुझे बता सके why, what is the reason for this? Anyone? You? मालूम है? Now see the angle 1 is there, दिख रहा है ना, मार्क किया है, और angle 2 भी है. If XY is parallel to AB, then then 150 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. तो यहाँ पर एक कारण है, रीजन है, और आई वांट कि किसी को मालूम है तो बता सकता है. इन ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो नहीं? नहीं, चलो विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम मैं ही बताता हूँ. दिस इज अ को इंटीरियर एंगल. co-interior angle, and the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. If it is a parallel line, ठीक, और ये एंगल, what is the relation of this? So the relation is same side of a transversal and interior angles are supplementary. Same side of a transversal, interior of an interior angles, then their sum are 180 degree. Okay, they are co-interior angle. अब कैसे? Now you see, this angle is equal to this. Yes. What is the reason for this? Corresponding angle. And now this is a straight line. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. As it is a linear pair here, तो वही कॉन्सेप्ट हम यहाँ यूज करते हैं और हम उसके लिए रीजन लिखते हैं co-interior angle. If there is a co-interior angle, their sum is 180 degree. If there is a co-exterior angle, their sum is also 180 degree. मतलब अगर ये बाहर वाला है, इस बाहर वाले के साथ, मतलब ये यहाँ और ये यहाँ, make 180 degree supplementary बनाएगा. Is that clear now? समझ में आ गया सबको? Okay. Now angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 150, that is 30 degree. Yes? Clear? Now XY is parallel to CD also. So 120 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Same reason, co-interior. So the angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 120. So it is 60 degree. Now see, the angle 2 is 60 degree and angle 1 is 30 degree. So what is the measure of angle AOC? Suhani? Yes? Very good. Sit down. किसी को नहीं समझ में आया कि इसका सम 90 क्यों है, मतलब ये 90 क्यों है, तो उसके लिए हम ऐसे लिख लेंगे कि एंगल AOC is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, that is 30 plus 60, which is equal to 90 degree. Is that clear everyone? Because this question is little important और ये हर जगह पे मिलेगा, इन क्लास 6, क्लास 7, क्लास 8, क्लास 9 और मे बी इन क्लास 10 ऑल्सो. तो इस क्वेश्चन को अपने दिमाग के किसी एक जगह पे सेट कर दो, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. ये क्वेश्चन हर क्लास में, क्लास 6 से स्टार्ट होता है और क्लास 10 तक हमारे साथ रहता है और मे बी फर्दर ऑल्सो. समझ गए? तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज हर जगह पे इन क्लास 6 तो तुमने पढ़ लिया, क्लास 7, 8, 9, 10, इवन 10 में भी ये क्वेश्चन है और कोई भी लाइटली ना ले इस क्वेश्चन को. दिस क्वेश्चन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लियर एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ लेट अस डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 23rd, sorry 24, yes. Copied? Everyone copied this one? अभी चल ही रहा है किसी का पेन? हो गया कॉपी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good everyone. Now see the question number 24. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to RS and angle this is 100 as 60 degree and angle ACS is 100 degree. Now you can see the figure, please. This is 100 degree and this is I think 60. Yes, P, and this is Q. This is A, B, C, and this is R, and this is S. So in this question, we have to find क्या करना है? Angle BAC.
Sir, angle BAC.
Very good. Angle BAC. This is the angle BAC. We can mark as X. Okay. तो इसको करने का ना दो तरीका है. दो, एक सबसे आसान तरीका है. In the previous question we used कि PQ is parallel to P is this, so it means 100. और अगर हम इस एंगल को ले लें तो दे आर को इंटीरियर एंगल, और यहाँ पे फाइंड करके फिर हम x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज PQ is a straight line. This is the shortest way to solve this question, and the longest way is, if it is 60, then what is this? 60, as it is the alternate angle. Now you see this is 100, so this is 80. Yes, it is 80 because of the linear pair. Now see this is 60, this is 80, तो इसकी वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. So there is a two way, but दोनों ways मैंने तुम्हें बताए हैं orally, and now मैं solve कर देता हूँ दोनों way को. You all can see the both ways. So for this question, first we can mark here. This is the angle 1. So the angle 1 plus 100, angle 1 plus 100 degree, this is the solution, is equal to 180 degree. The reason is co-interior angle, or the second reason is PQ is parallel to RS also. This is given here. So now the angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 100, so which is equal to 80. Now the angle 1 is 80 degree, so 60 plus x plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. PQ is a straight line. ठीक है, और ये लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर PQ is a straight line. PQ is a straight line. So x is equal to, x की वैल्यू कितनी आई? 180 degree minus 80 plus 60 is what? 140 is equal to 40 degree. So the x is equal to 40 degree. This is the one way how to find. This is the shortest way. This is the shortest way to find the answer or find the value of x. Okay. And now we can mark here also, but this is the second way. तो अब हम इसको यहाँ से हटा देते हैं. We can mark here 1 and here 2. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. This is alternate angle, and 100 plus 2. Angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So the angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80 degree. Yes. Now in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 80. That is 40 degree. This is the second way. So you can do with both ways, and दोनों ways आने चाहिए कि हम किसी चीज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं more than one ways. तो we can do, और भी बहुत सारे हैं in triangles. There is lot of, और भी कोई तरीका हो सकता है इसको फाइंड करने का, but this is the too simple and this is the simplest. First is the simplest and second is little lengthy. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps in first question, and in this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer only. So बस 4 steps में. So I think both the solution is clear too. ऑल? किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो वो पूछेगा प्लीज. ओके. Now question number 26, 26, 27, 28. Mark this 26, 27, 28. तो सबको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम मालूम है? हमने पढ़ा पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? हमने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पढ़ा है भवानी? यू पढ़ा है? तानिया पढ़ा है? रजनी हमने पढ़ा है क्या पाइथागोरस थ्योरम?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think everyone know about the Pythagoras theorem. So
Yes, sir.
everyone must able to do the I think may able to do 28 question. सबको अपने आप ही करना और
Okay,
कोई
sir.
डिफिकल्टी आएगी तो फिर आई विल हेल्प. एंड नाउ फ्रॉम 29 to 38 38 means 20 from 26 to actually basically 26 to 38 do yourself. No, nobody send me the exercise 70C, 17C as a homework. Only homework is from 17A and 17B. Okay, clear everyone? और this is not a ये कोई चिंता करने की बात नहीं है. If there is a problem, you will ask कल क्या Saturday tomorrow. Okay, तो फिर मंडे को डिस्कस कर लेंगे. No problem. I think online, no, not online class. I don't know about this. मैं पहले एक बार नंदन सर से पूछ लूँ. बट देखो मेरे को आना है. पहले मैं नहीं आता था सैटरडे को. आई एम नॉट क्लियर. पहले मैं नहीं आता था. ठीक है, मैं सैटरडे को घर से क्लास करता था तुम्हारी. बट दिस वीक मुझे आना है. आई डोंट नो, मे बी द हाफ डे लाइक दिस कुछ होगा. तो एक बार मैं कंफर्म करके नंदन सर से फिर बताऊंगा. ओके. Okay, now everyone, now the class is over. I want to over the class.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Class over हुई.